subscribe with notifications on.
We are South Africans.
All right, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Hey, today we have, I've got such beautiful ladies here. Today, I'm just going to ask some few questions. Ladies, I want to know from you, my sister. Why do South African ladies go out and prefers to date foreigners than your own South African guys? Why? What is the problem?
Okay, before I start, hi guys. I'm a lady.
Yes.
These my sisters.
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Yes.
You know what?
Mm.
I've once dated a Khoza guy. But
Yes.
No, they're full of shit.
Yeah. All of them.
They are full of shit.
Even the other day we were
They are
having
full
the
of
same.
shit. And
Hey.
one thing about them, they like to complain.
Wow.
They like to complain.
So it's the same thing that we've been experiencing, even when we do the interviews. Okay? Yeah, okay.
They like to complain. I don't have much to say. I'm just saying this small thing. They like to complain. And one thing about them, they like to abuse.
They abuse.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you perfectly.
Yeah.
Abantu abayana ababeji. Ababeji, bro. I'm telling you.
And finally, people say, "Nyan." I don't wanna lie. I don't wanna lie. Basile, and now it's not about to beja. I was that kind of a person who likes working for your own money.
Exactly.
I have a pride. What can I say? Pride. I don't like asking someone for anything like money, things like that.
Yeah.
I would work for myself, ne?
Yes.
But Basile still, Basile, yeah, Basile, and I didn't know Baba Nepes until I found out.
So what do you say about that? What can you say about it? She's saying in bed they are weak. That's what she's trying to say. They're saying
Not
all of them.
Not all of them.
No.
Now I'm talking out of experience, guys. Out of experience.
Out of
now,
experience.
really, guys, I didn't know what I had. I thought what I had was the best until I found the best.
One thing about foreigners. One thing about foreigners.
Yeah.
They have bananas. See?
I know.
It's kanjani, my sister?
It's a snake, cobra, or wild I'm telling you.
So they've got bananas, eh? Sure. Foreigners, they've got bananas. So they are not straight. They are like this.
But they are good men.
Eh?
They are good men, but yeah, they are thick. Oh, you're not talking about thick here. Like banana.
So are you saying by shy zone? By shy zone.
About this, we're talking about foreigners and Khozas.
Okay.
So I am not causing straight in that.
No.
It's straight, I'm not causing.
No, not only guys. Guys, listen. Let us not focus on Khosas only. Let's focus on South Africans as an entirely.
We have experience with Khoza. She was dating a Khoza before.
Oh, she was dating a Khoza before.
Yes.
You have never dated like Mtswana, like Mupedi, Mzulu, or only Khosas?
Only
Nah, I did Tswana.
You did
I
Tswana.
did Tswana.
I was dating Nigerian.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I was dating Nigerian, but I realized that no, I'm just putting myself in a deep, dangerous place.
Yes.
You know? But now
What's so dangerous about Nigerians? You know, I hear a lot of people.
Since you have dated in Nigeria, it's so interesting.
Yes.
So interested.
I hear a lot of
they're
people.
dangerous. Those people, they are not from here. And what I noticed, they are using us.
Yes, exactly.
They are using us. They are married.
Or
It's
from
like-
home.
Yes, they are married. It's like when you're having a wife. If you want to leave your house, like you're having stress.
Yes.
If you want, you just book a BNB and then you just
Get somebody.
Yes, just to release the
Oh,
stress.
so that's what they are
Do you
doing.
get me?
Mm.
So abaXhosa bona, you those people bunuka nenyawo tu.
Maybe I think it's because of they don't have money. They're struggling, you know, right
They
now.
have Tangalavi.
They do have.
They had.
They do have.
They do
So,
have
so they are
money.
stingy.
There's one picking. Come A1.
They don't wear fake. I don't wanna lie.
They
Khoza men.
don't.
You must check their clothes.
So but they know how to dress.
They know how to dress now. But if you can go inside in his house,
How?
Yeah, they can't take care of their place when they
Is it true? Is it true that Banuki now?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
what is Ngunda? What is Ngunda?
Let me tell you something.
What is Ngunda?
You know when a place maybe is wet, it gets wet. Let's say maybe it rains inside your house.
Yeah.
So then after the rain, you can imagine the smell of the place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ngunda. So they call it Ngunda. Wow.
Let me tell you something. I once did this guy.
Don't say the same.
I don't say the name.
Don't say the same name.
Don't say the name.
I'm not in it. This guy. Hey.
Yeah, just say it's close. It's okay.
Mamela. Ndayendlini yakhe 24 hours. Ngenxa ukuthi
You, me too. Yes,
You went to.
what's wrong with Khoza guys?
Candy, what's happening?
What's wrong with Khoza guys?
you sleep like a baby. I'm telling you.
That guy had the same experience.
So they don't feed it.
He will sleep like a baby.
I'm
When
telling
now
you.
you can't sleep, they are eating you those things.
Why don't they?
They're eating you those things.
They're hygienic. What's happening with the hygienic? Why are they not clean?
The same experience.
Why are they not clean? What is the problem?
After that night, you know what I did? I did a spring clean. Just after that night, I did a spring clean. Because I thought I would sleep at night. It was the same thing. Even after the spring clean.
My daughter.
This other day, they want to beat him. I was with him. We were walking like a couple. Hey, they want to beat him. You know what? What in? He ran away. I went to action.
Wait, run away. Hey, run away, babe.
I don't know what to do actually. Wait for her. You're walking like a couple.
I'm telling you. You know what he did? Baby, they are coming to me. If you don't run, I'm gonna leave you. You die alone. Hypo. Nyamego. Die alone how? When I was trying to ask questions. Hypo, don't see someone hidden next to me.
He's gone.
Baba,
He was gone.
run first.
So he left you.
He left you to die alone.
guys, men, I think we need to stand up, you know. If you love a woman, stand for your woman. Don't run away from problems. Even if you're to die together, it's okay. But don't leave her, because that's what she's going to think. You know what? Maybe you don't care. You get my point. Guys, man, come on. You see now why our South African guys, ladies now are leaving. You guys are going to date foreigners.
And they're very stupid.
They are mangamagwala, but when it comes to a girl, they hit.
They can beat.
But when it comes to other guys, they run.
So they are abusive.
Very abusive, but they can't face the other guys.
Wow. So my sister, when have you dated a Zulu man before?
A Zulu man?
A Khoza man?
A Khoza man?
Yeah, a Khoza man. Mine was a gentleman.
What was gentleman?
Because
So there are those gentlemen Khoza men that are there out there.
and I never get getting beaten by the Khoza men. Only the men that I get beaten is only the one foreigner that I'm still dating with.
So-
I'm abused, but
So the foreigner that you're still dating is beating you.
my father of my children. I'm 17 years with him, and then
He still beat you.
yes, even the foreigner, if